Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best rocker panels is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components of your vehicle's exterior, playing a vital role in both its aesthetic appeal and structural integrity, protecting the lower body from road debris, rust, and potential impacts, ensuring your ride not only looks sharp but also maintains its underlying strength and value over time, making them an essential consideration for any car owner. Number 5. Bushwacker Trail Armor Rocker Panels for Silverado 1500. Your truck's rockers are vulnerable, especially off-road. Give them the ultimate protection and added structural support they deserve with our Trail Armor Rocker Panels. These panels are designed to cover the rocker area under your doors. They provide premium defense against road debris and trail obstacles, preventing scratches and damage. Crafted from dependable and durable TPO material, these panels are built to last. This 4-piece set ensures comprehensive coverage for your vehicle's rockers. Installation is a breeze thanks to the secure 3M automotive adhesive and our proprietary screw clip system. All necessary hardware and instructions are included for a hassle-free setup. Proudly built in the United States, these rocker panels come with a limited lifetime warranty. Trust in the quality and durability of American-made craftsmanship. Specifically designed to fit your 2007 to 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 crew cab. Ensure a perfect fit and enhanced protection for your truck. What we like. This option offers robust protection with its durable TPO material, ensuring your rockers withstand trail abuse. Installation is made simple with a secure adhesive and screw clip system. If you're looking for a reliable, American-made product that's easy to install, this is a great choice for your Silverado. What people say. These rocker panels are a perfect fit for my truck. The installation was straightforward and took less than an hour. They look great and add a nice finished touch to the vehicle. Number 4. Chevy Silverado Sierra 1999-07 Crew Cab Rocker Panels and Cab Corners Kit. This is a complete kit designed to replace your rocker panels and cab corners. It's specifically made for the 1999-07 Chevy Silverado and Sierra 4-door crew cab models. Crafted with quality materials, this repair panel offers enhanced protection. It's built to last and keep your vehicle looking great. Shield your truck from the elements. This kit effectively protects against rust, road debris, and other common damages. Proudly made in Motor City, you can trust the quality of this repair panel. It's a reliable solution for your truck's body needs. This is a high-quality, non-OEM replacement part. It provides an excellent fit and function for your specific vehicle. What we like. This is a quality repair panel designed for enhanced protection against rust and road debris. If you're dealing with existing damage or seeking to prevent it on your Silverado or Sierra, this non-OEM part from Motor City made is a solid option. What people say. The rocker panels are made of durable material that has held up well against road debris and harsh weather conditions. Installation was straightforward, and the panels fit perfectly onto the vehicle, enhancing its overall appearance. The textured finish provides excellent grip and prevents slipping, even when wet. Number 3. Bushwacker Trail Armor Side Rocker Set. Protect your truck's rockers from damage, especially when venturing off-road. This set provides crucial defense and structural support for your vehicle's frame. Rocker panels are prone to impacts from trail obstacles and road debris. These panels cover the area under your doors, shielding them from scratches and damage. Crafted from dependable TPO material, this set is designed to safeguard your vehicle's rockers. It includes 4 pieces for comprehensive coverage. Installation is straightforward thanks to secure 3M automotive adhesive and a proprietary screw clip system. All necessary hardware and instructions are included. Proudly manufactured in the United States, this product is built to last. It also comes with a limited lifetime warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. Built with durable TPO material, this set provides excellent defense against trail hazards and road debris. Its straightforward installation process, utilizing automotive adhesive and a screw clip system, makes it accessible for many DIYers. If you own a 2014 to 2018 Silverado Sierra Double Cab or a 2019 LD model and want dependable, easy-to-install protection, consider this American-made option. What people say. The rocker panels are designed to protect the vehicle's lower body from road debris and impacts. Installation was straightforward, with pre-drilled holes aligning perfectly with the vehicle's mounting points. The textured finish not only adds a rugged look but also provides excellent grip for stepping onto the panels. Number 2. Chevy Silverado 1999-07 Inner and Outer Rocker Panels. Is your 1999-07 Chevy Silverado's body showing signs of wear? We offer high-quality replacement rocker panels and cab corners designed to fit your extended cab perfectly. These repair panels are proudly made in Motor City, ensuring a standard of quality you can trust for your vehicle's restoration. While not an original equipment part, this panel is crafted for a precise fit, making installation straightforward and effective for your truck. Invest in a quality-made repair panel that is designed to last. It's the perfect solution to bring your Silverado back to its former glory. These panels provide enhanced protection for your vehicle. They effectively shield against rust, damaging road debris, and other common environmental hazards. Don't let rust and damage compromise your truck's appearance and structure. These inner and outer rocker panels, along with cab corners, are essential for a complete repair. What we like. This kit provides enhanced protection, specifically targeting rust and road debris for your Silverado's inner and outer rocker panels and cab corners. If you're undertaking a more comprehensive repair or restoration on your 1999 to 2007 Silverado extended cab, this quality repair panel set is designed for that purpose. What people say. The rocker panels are a perfect fit for my truck. Installation was straightforward and the panels look great. They provide excellent protection against road debris. Number 1. Dodge Ram 2002 to 2009 Outer Rocker Panel Pair. Introducing a high-quality repair panel designed specifically for your 2002 to 2009 Dodge Ram Quad Cab. This non-OEM part is Motor City made, ensuring a great fit and finish. Crafted with care in the Motor City, this panel is built to last. It's a quality replacement designed to keep your vehicle looking its best. This is a non-OEM part, offering a cost-effective solution for replacing your damaged rocker panels. It's designed to meet high standards of quality and durability. Protect your vehicle's lower body with this durable outer rocker panel. It provides enhanced protection against rust and damage from road debris. Keep your truck safe from the elements. This panel acts as a shield, preventing rust formation and protecting against impacts from rocks and other road hazards. Restore the integrity of your vehicle's body. This repair panel not only fixes existing damage but also provides ongoing protection for years to come. What we like. Designed for enhanced protection, this pair of outer rocker panels is specifically made for your Dodge Ram Quad Cab. If you're looking to repair or protect the rocker area of your 2002 to 2009 Dodge Ram from rust and road damage, this quality repair panel is the ideal solution. What people say. The rocker panels are a perfect fit for my truck, and the installation was straightforward. I was impressed with the quality of the material, they feel very durable and look great installed. The design adds a nice aggressive look to the vehicle, and they provide good protection against road debris. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.